Hello and welcome. My name is Torian Wallace. I'm going to be going over Newbies on Fire. This is a brand new program that just found out about, basically. Um, and I'll be honest with you, I've been doing internet marketing over 10 years, and I decided I wasn't going to get into another network marketing program, although I've done affiliate marketing for years. Um, but I ran across Newbies on Fire, and it basically blew my mind. And I'll be going over some of the reasons why I joined this actual company, Newbies on Fire. But let me just start. First of all, my presentation. I'm going to just go over what I'm going to be going over. I notice on a lot of videos, people most of the time will just talk randomly. I do better with, even though I don't really necessarily like these presentation type software deals, but it does keep me organized where I'm not rambling and wasting your time. There's actually a point to what I'm going to be saying about Newbies on Fire. So here we go. First of all, the outline, what we're going to be going over. We're going to be going over how the company was started, how the company is presented, which I think is very important. A lot of times you get into these companies and the presentation, the actual product is good, but the presentation is what keeps people from actually joining, which can be a challenge for you making money. Going to be going over the compensation plan, what I like about Newbies on Fire, what I don't like about Newbies on Fire, and then I'm going to be giving you a surprise at the end. If you stay to the end, there's something I'm going to give only to those that actually stay to the end of this actual presentation. Okay, onward. This company, Newbies on Fire, was started by Christina Hooper. She is accessible on Facebook. I actually added her as a friend. Seems like a very personable person, and seems to be a serial entrepreneur. Looks like she's been in several different companies before, and then she decided to start her own company. She says that she's always hit the leaderboards in any type of network marketing company that she has been in. She started this company, Newbies on Fire, because she sees a lot of tons, and I see the same thing, tons of new entrepreneurs that are coming online that have no idea about how to get started with online marketing, and the need for training for those individuals, because it's not a lot of step-by-step programs for newbies. So that's why she started Newbies on Fire. The company was actually started, well, the domain name at least was purchased on September the 5th, 2019. Christina seems to be from Grangeville, Idaho. She's married with one child. And so it's a fairly new company, which is a good thing in certain ways. It's a bad thing in certain ways because the idea, the company hasn't, had challenges yet that some companies that's been around before. So it'd be important to watch how she tackles some of the challenges that come with starting a network marketing company. But it'll be a new thing also. If you know anything about internet marketing, if you get in on the ground floor, it gives you an opportunity to get in front so that as new people come on and start to find out about Newbies on Fire, they will actually be there for you to grab up and to put them into your system. Okay, so I'm just going to play this brief video just to show you how the company is presented, and one of the things that caught my eye, and I'll tell you why after we watch this part in the video.
New figures show the median income of American households fell last year to its lowest level since 1995.
We go back to the year 2000. Incomes are 5.9% below where they were 14 years ago.
A new report on household income revealed that many Americans continue to struggle.
Today, over 60% of Americans say they typically live paycheck to paycheck.
The nonpartisan Congressional Budget Office warned today that it is likely we will have another recession next year.
It's not good news for anybody, and it's especially not good good news for young people because, of course, their job prospects are very, very poor.
Okay, the reason why I wanted you to see that is because I like how they start in about the actual person that's watching the video and not necessarily about all the, the great things that you're going to find by signing up for this program. It actually addresses what's on a lot of people's minds today, and that is, another recession coming. The job market is volatile now. Most people haven't had their same job for 2 years. It's very rare to see somebody that's been in their same job for at least 5 years, and that's even with a degree. So I like how the company is presented, first of all, about the person that's watching the video, because if you don't know why you should be watching the video, you're not really going to pay attention. And if you know anything about the psychological things, more people are more interested in what they have going on and not necessarily what you have to sell. So I feel like, the first video that they see addresses the person watching needs, which draws them in and which would make them want to learn more about what it is that you're offering. Okay. So I think that presentation is very good, and one of the reasons why, like I said, I did join this company. All right. So we're going to be going over the company, the packages, going over a presentation again, which packages the company actually offers. The starter package, it starts at $30. And basically, if you start at this level, when you bring people in, I think you make $25 every time. And I'll explain more about how the compensation works. But the starter package, it comes with how to build a blog, branding, and also video marketing. Then you can come in at the basic level, and it's how to find buyers and how to generate leads. That's what that includes. It includes everything in the starter package, plus in the basic package, and that one is $110. The advanced package is when you get into the Facebook training, and it includes everything from a starter and the basics, and also with the Facebook video training. That one is $275. And then you have the elite program, which starts at which is $550, and that's when you start learning to create your own products and how to create membership sites. Now, how this works is that the compensation plan is reverse up to, okay? So all money is paid instantly to either Cash App, PayPal, or Stripe. I think there's a couple of other merchant accounts that you can actually use with this particular program, but it's paid instantly through them. And what happens is, if you look at this diagram, basically there are 2 sales that go to you, 2 sales that go to your upline, and then after that you collect 100% commission from that point on, which I think is great. Okay. So, and the way, what I was going to tell you how it works is that if you're in a starter package, then you get $25 every time. On the basic, it's $100. Here it's $200 more, and then the elite is $500. So basically, if you get into the $500 package, you get anytime somebody signs up in any of these programs, you get paid. Let's say you only take the $275 package. Anybody that signs up in these 3, you get paid. If someone signs up into this one, you don't get paid. So it's better to get signed up in the elite package, because that way you never know when you're out there marketing your business whether someone is going to sign up for the elite or whatever. So it's better to get into this program in order to get paid on all of these levels. If you just get the starter package, you can only get the $25 from the starter package. Okay. So, and if you have any questions on this, my contact information will be right below this video. Okay. Now, what do I love about Newbies on Fire? Well, first of all, number one is the instant payments. Any type of affiliate or network marketing company, if you've been in one, you know that you don't get paid instantly in 99% of them. And I like the fact that you can get payments through the Cash App. Everybody knows what Cash App is, whether it's Zelle, whether it's the actual Cash App. whatever you may use, that if someone sends you money through the Cash App, then you get paid instantly. And you can use that money to reinvest back into your business, to grow your business with those type of payments. So if you was to get two people and they both, let's say you paid $3 for the lead to get 100 people, and two of those people actually signed up under the $250 program, that's basically $500 or $495 that you're getting back just for a $5 investment on that particular 100 leads. And I'll be going over, some traffic things. Well, once you get into the program, I normally will go over and show you how to get traffic to your actual lead page. One thing I like is that the owner seems to care about the actual affiliates. I've actually seen videos of her, and she seems to really care about our needs as affiliates, and the fact that we need training, the fact that we need a little love every now and then, and the fact that this is something that could basically change our lives. She understands that. The system is very easy to get signed up for and get set up. I think that's excellent for somebody that's new, that's just getting online. I just want to find an alternative to the hustle and bustle of working a 9 to 5, people telling you what to do, where to go, how much time you should take on break. It's annoying, and when you get fed up with it, you get to a point where you reach out and you're looking for something online, such as Newbies on Fire. And, so you want something that's not going to be very complicated to get set up, especially if you've never set up an online business before. It's also an easy way to market this system. You let someone know that they get 100% commission and they can get paid through Cash App. It's an easy sale to get someone interested and actually pull out their credit card to get started. And it's really, really easy for newbies to understand. Everybody understands how Facebook works. Everybody understands that there's a need to have a system to put people into, because there are a lot of newbies that are coming online each and every day. Okay, now what I dislike about this company. Well, it's probably not 100% okay with the FTC, simply because sometimes the FTC will frown. If you don't have something like a drug or a workout, outfit or something physical that you're selling, normally the FTC sometimes frown on companies like this, where it's basically it's digital products that we're actually selling. We're actually selling things that will help that person, and not only this business, but in multiple businesses that they may be into or not. But also, you'll be learning a skill that you can actually take to some of these small businesses and help them in their business. So it's actually something that's actually a good thing, but it may not be 100% okay with the FTC, but it is a low barrier of entry for a newbie, meaning that a newbie is okay with spending $30 to get involved in something like this. And normally if somebody is spending $30 to get involved in something, they're normally not going to complain to the FTC or anything like that. It's these programs that are $20,000 and they're selling, how to market on Facebook. Those are the type of things where people start to complain. Now, I think that the company may be around about 2 or more years or something like that. It's very new, but it also gives you an opportunity to start building up your email list and building relationships with people, so that if this company does not stay around, you can always get into another company and get people plugged into the new company. Because network marketing, affiliate marketing, it's all about relationship building. Okay, especially network marketing, it's about relationship building. So if you treat people right, you get them into a system, you help them to make money, they're going to stick around forever. So that's the good thing about it. Now, it's still a new company. It's still young. We have about 6,000 reps right now. I think I saw a post where she said she's given out over $100,000 in affiliate commissions from September to now, which is good. I mean, that means that you will get paid with this program. and once you get signed up for it. Okay. So my 2 cents, should you join? Well, because I'm a part of the company, I'm not going to tell you one way or another. If you're just in the process of researching it, I will say do your research. Make sure it's something that you're comfortable with getting started with. Of course, I would love to get you into my network because I'm going to show you how to market this company the correct way. I'm going to be available to answer any questions that you have. We have a Facebook group with over 5,000 people. I will get you plugged into that group so that you can see other people that are making money with this particular program. I'm not going to flash all of those types of things in this video, but there are tons of people that are making money every single day in this particular business. So you have to make the decision on who you want to go with this particular company, and when you feel comfortable pulling the trigger on it. But I would say get in while in now, because there's a lot of people that are finding out about it. It just came across my desk and I jumped right on top of it, and I feel like you should too. But that's my 2 cents. Okay, the bonus. Because you stayed to the end and heard me rattle on with all of this stuff, if you sign up at the link below, which is digitalnewbie.com, that's digital, NEWB.com, I'm going to be giving you a free Craigslist training and also an Instagram training that no one right now has. I'm going to be giving you that to show you how to start getting leads instantly from Craigslist and from Instagram by signing up, like I said, at the website www.digitalnewbie.com. I look for once again, my name is Torian Wallace. I look forward to working with you. So let me know if you have any questions. Feel free to give me a call or hit me up on social media or leave a question below, because I'm going to be watching and I'm going to be answering those questions for you. Take care and have a great rest of your day. Thank you.